So, the new engine, what we changed over? Oil, filter housing, oil cooler, pipes.
Basically, it's everything.
We're trying to film something! Just them two clips? For God's sake. Just gets giddy over radiators. Anyway.
Moisture. That's some moisture.
We're going to save them, aren't we? Anyway, before Billy rudely interrupted us. What are you doing? Why? Might need it.
Hopefully, yeah. Hopefully, right.
There we go, here's where the radiator's wrong.
I know, yeah. I'm not bothered, I've still got my original radiator. Some bits. Right, so, yeah, that's what we're doing with that. And then you're going to put the cam box on.
Parcel. I'll have to take it off and I'll get out of that tyre. I can put the
Oh, yeah, we need to do a sump as well, don't we?
top of it on.
And lift it up.
Get all that ready.
Sweet.
Swap all the probably put the turbo on. Bits I don't need silicone for.
Bits don't need silicone for.
Fucking everything.
Great. Well, why have you done that? In the sump.
Oh, no. Where the fuck's that?
It's like a mirror now on the floor.
No. Oh,
Where's that just come from?
Leaked out there, whatever was in there.
Oh, not good.
Not built with that.
Yeah.
There you go. Problem solved. It's full of water, that oil.
It will be. Head gasket's deleted already.
It'll delete after you've had a go of it. Where's it leaking from?
I think
What did you just take out and then leave?
The fucking oil return.
Oh, wonder why it leaked out the oil return. Right. It's a proper garage. It is anyway. Fucking shitbox BMWs everywhere. Will's been doing Adam's job. Bit of detailing. Got the nil fisk out. Got the engine all nice and clean. Whoa, it's a beast, the nil fisk. It's all built up now, innit? Ready to go back in? Well, flywheel.
Flywheel, sump.
Oh yeah, something's changing.
Wiring room. No wiring on there.
Oh shit, yeah. That would help. Nearly there. We were on it a few hours. We had a dinner break. So, hey? Yeah. So, yeah. Sick.
Very good. I think that is seen its day.
It's in.
Hey! Outside, literally. But it what, 17:06.
And she's in. She's in. Moment of truth. I don't even want to stand anywhere near it. Yeah, it's got compression now. It lives! It lives!
Runs really well.
Sounds alright.
Your half shafts.
Fucking hell's alive! Woo!
not happy in there. Beeping his cock off. I don't know, doesn't say anything. Oh, shit. Parking sensors? That's the face of a happy man.
It's back in action, boy.
Look at the state of this shit.
It's been so long.
Sounds sweet, doesn't it? This engine. Oh, there is another problem there with... Oh no, that goes in there.
Oh, don't worry about that. Fucking minor problem.
Did you...
It's like considering that engine has literally been completely in bits today.
I know, yeah. I know, yeah. Job well done.
Let it get hot. And then start open. I think it's on the door now.
Yep. Will's happy. Just bleeding the rad. He's got his new Eurowagon lights in. Looking saucy. He's happy. He's happy. That's the face of an happy man. Bumper fitting specialist, yeah. That's how you do it. Look at that.
Dirty bumper, eh?
Happy?
Happy fucking me.
Need a T30. Please. This is well hard, but I just need to push it. There we go.
Yeah.
T30, yeah. I think they're T30 from memory. Yeah, check that out. Check that out.
Not bad.
Don't snap for fun.
The 10 mils, that one. Still.
What?
They're all 10.
What do you mean? Oh, are they the arch ones? They're the same.
That's front. That one.
Well, they should be them.
Yeah, but they're not.
You know, Ben.
They're for the inside. That's like making him do stuff twice.
It's not got wheel ones.
Oh.
They're gone as well. Weight reduction.
So yeah, we've got the Abarth running and driving.
There we are.
It's running.
Ready.
It's a bit vibrative, a steering wheel, but it's running. Don't worry about it. But on the next episode, they'll be getting the ultimate test. God's country. Should be the ultimate test. Adios. Hmm.